crying at the door. It's thundering out. Though I do have a little something to help with that. You want to give it a go?
Wait a minute, what? It's raining.
Yeah.
Well, how are we gonna take him out?
Handsome. So handsome. Yeah.
There we go. Oh my God, he's going.
Oh my gosh.
All right, he's got his raincoat.
You guys stay warm and dry.
Oh, he hates it.
It's. I knew he wouldn't like it.
Oh, yeah, good boy.
Are you so handsome in your coat?
Oh my God. Oh.
The little tail. No?
So I thought it was the shower rod. No, don't go through there. You always do this. My God. No, he's obsessed. He's obsessed. Okay.
Good job, Mikey. Is that fun? Yeah, good job. Yeah. You're happy now.